In this video, you will learn how to return items on Shein. First, log in. Log into your Shein account. Access your account, then navigate to My Orders. Select the order. Choose the order containing your items that you wish to return. Initiate the return. Click on the return. Select the item specifically and select the reason for your return. Then submit your request. Choose the return method. Opt for a return method. In the UK, you can select from Every, Royal Mail or InPost lockers. Depending on your choice, you will either print a return label or receive a QR code. Prepare the package. Pack the item securely, preferably in the original packaging, and affix the return label or have your QR code ready for scanning. Drop off the return. Take the package to a designated drop-off point, such as a local post office or parcel locker. Now you know how to return items on Shein. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.